All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
All rise. Judge VB Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JB 1039 Swan case. Thank you. You're welcome. You all may be seated. Miss Sultan, you brought this case before the court. What's going on? Miss Sultan responded, I had met my boyfriend online. We had been dating for a year. At the time, I was living in Kansas and he lived in Texas. He would fly to visit me and we saw each other often. Eventually, I got pregnant.
I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in and, well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets. So I'm just trying to...
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son. Do
you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
He had disappeared on me, and now our daughter is 5 months old. I moved to Texas from Kansas 3 months ago so we could all be together as a family. I wanted our daughter to have both of her parents in her life. But after I moved, he completely disappeared on me. Now, I would like to pursue child support. Interview. I see that you requested a DNA test. Has he taken the test? No, he has not. Does he know he's the father? Does he believe he's not the father? He believes he's not, but I know he is, because there's no other possibility. Alright. I also see that he's not present today, and that's partially because you did not have him served to appear in court. Although you filed the child support request and the request for DNA testing with me, you didn't actually serve him with those documents to ensure his appearance today. Interview. Okay. And you understand that he must be served with the documents in order for him to appear in court. Alright, so here's what I'll do. I will order him to appear and require that he complete DNA testing before returning to court. I'll set the next court date about a month from now. Is that enough time? Yes, please. Alright then, he'll need to complete the DNA testing before the next hearing. That way, if he is determined to be the father, we can move forward with the child support proceedings. If there's nothing further, you are dismissed. Judge Ron Beam.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, your third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the arena football league that I play in. So I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation.
Okay.
So, how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So, 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount. I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's me, Judge VB. I just wanted to go over what you witnessed in the Sultan case. In that situation, the mother and father had a baby, and the mother is now seeking child support. She also requested that the father undergo DNA testing. One interesting detail in this case is that the father had not yet been served to appear in court. Remember, in order to bring someone to court and request any kind of relief, it's absolutely essential to make sure that the person you're trying to bring in is properly served with the necessary paperwork.